Welcome back to Car Hub, your go-to spot for the smartest reviews and boldest rides. Today, we're looking at a car that's been a favorite in driveways across the world for decades. It's stylish, it's efficient, and it's all new. This is the 2025 Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has always been about balance. It's the car that gives you space without feeling bulky, comfort without losing connection to the road, and now in 2025, it adds sharper style and smarter tech to the mix. The design has evolved. It's sleeker, more sculpted, and more confident than ever before. Under the hood, Honda offers both turbocharged and hybrid powertrains. The hybrid model is the star here, blending electric efficiency with responsive acceleration. It's perfect for daily commutes, long road trips, and everything in between. Smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick, the 2025 Accord proves you don't need to sacrifice performance for better mileage. Step inside, and you'll notice how clean and modern the interior feels. Honda has given the cabin a minimal yet premium layout, with high-quality materials and a focus on driver comfort. The infotainment system is large and fast, with built-in Google Apps, voice assistant features, and seamless smartphone integration. The Accord also leads in safety. With the latest version of Honda Sensing, you get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and even a new driver attention monitor. It's smart, safe, and always one step ahead. Whether you're a longtime Accord fan or new to the name, the 2025 model makes a strong case. It's practical, stylish, fuel-efficient, and surprisingly fun to drive. So if you want a midsize sedan that gets everything right, from design to tech to reliability, the Honda Accord continues to be the benchmark. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, turbo or hybrid, which one's your pick?